Hello, Pigman186 here, and just want to say, I'm just about to go on holiday. Look, different clothes, woo! Just about to go on holiday, so I won't be posting videos for about, I don't know, so like meant to be a surprise for my dad. So yeah, don't bother liking it, because it's just like another little reminder. And yeah, please subscribe, leave flavor lot, and goodbye. I guess, like a little announcement, vacation. And also, the person who inspired me was Pitiless. I don't know. You know Syndicate? Yeah, you should know him. Syndicate Project. His girlfriend, his like her main channel. I really enjoy her vlogs. She inspired me to do this. So yeah, well done to her. And yeah, goodbye.